Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein instant oats dosa recipe ideal to include in your weight loss journey. This instant high protein oats dosa can be had as a healthy meal for breakfast or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make high protein instant oats dosa, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of old fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old fashioned rolled oats as they are high in fiber and less processed. Half cup tur dal, also known as sambar dal. Half cup channa dal, also known as kadala perippu in Malayalam. Half cup black split urad dal. Instead of black urad dal, you can use plain urad dal. Half cup green mung dal. Add in some water. I'm going to wash and rinse it a couple of times or until the water runs clear. Once rinsed, I added some more water. Into this, I'm adding in 4 to 5 whole Kashmiri chilies. And I'm going to allow it to soak for about 5 to 6 hours. Now, if you're planning to make this as a quick instant breakfast, you can soak this overnight. And if you're planning to make this as a quick instant dinner, you can soak it in the afternoon or in the morning. The idea is to soak it for about 5 to 6 hours at least so that the phytates in the dals and oats are released. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which prevents nutrient absorption. Longer soaking period is always ideal to release phytic acid content in grains. So if you have noticed having any digestive issues like gas, bloating or indigestion, when you consume dal or oats, do try to soak it a bit longer, so that it will be easy for you to digest. So I'm going to soak it for about 5 to 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours later, the dals and oats are nicely soaked. So I'm going to transfer it to my blender jar. I'm adding in the soaked whole red chilies. Because the red chilies are soaked, it will be easily blended. Adding in the soaked dal and oats. Into this I'm adding in 1.5 cups of water. 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, half teaspoon hing, also known as kayam or asafoetida. Jeera and asafoetida not only gives an amazing flavor but also helps with digestion. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. For some extra iron and folate, I'm adding in 2 sprigs of curry leaves. This is entirely optional. And now I'm going to blend this into a dosa batter consistency. Pour the blended batter into a bowl. This batter will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Hence, it is an ideal way to meal prep. You can make instant high protein oats dosa as a breakfast or as a dinner. Heat a cast iron tawa and grease it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or til oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the dosa batter and spread it out as thinly as possible. Drizzle in A2 desi ghee or any wood pressed oil of your choice. And once that side is cooked, carefully flip it over. Remember that I am using a well seasoned cast iron tawa, hence the dosa will not get stick to the tawa. And once that side is done, carefully flip it over and serve the crispy high protein oats dosa with the sambar or chutney of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy high protein instant oats dosa recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.